Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting tutorial video on Demmy art. Okay, so before we start, I would like you guys to subscribe. Just subscribe, tap the red button below to subscribe and the bell notification to get notified when I post new videos. So today I'll be showing you how to draw the different eye shapes. We're going to be needing 2H pencil, 3H pencil, a ruler, an eraser, and a tissue. Okay, so we're going to start by drawing a circle. The circle represents the eyeball. I'm going to be drawing 6 circles for the 6 eye shapes. Next, we are to draw a line going through the circle with any angle you prefer. This method is awesome if you're drawing a set of eyes on the same face. Please note that the left side of each circle is the inner side of the eye. So this is going to be the almond. The upturned, please make sure these lines are thin. The hooded, this is going to be the mono lid. I try to make my lines a little bit thick so you guys could be able to see it. This is the downturned. This last one is going to be the round one. Okay, so guys, the next one is to draw the inner corner of the eye. You can use several shapes, angular, pointy, or rounded ones like the examples I'm giving. For small or shallow corners, stay very close to circle. For deep and large corners, place it well outside the circle. Okay, so the next we're going to do is to draw the top lid of the eye. Drawing this upper lid, you have to stay within the boundary of the circle. Just imagine the eyelid is wrapping around the square. For the almond shaped eyes, you want to stick to the slim football shaped curve, and the deepest part of the arc should be located at the middle of the lid. Now the next is to draw the bottom lid. Make sure to draw a slight bump near the inner corner of the eye and avoid drawing the lid too far away from the line you created before. That's the horizontal line in between the circle. Great job, guys. Next we're going to add a crease. The crease is the fold above the eye. Draw the fold above the eye starting from the inner corner and working your way out. The thicker the space between the line and the eye, the thicker the fold will look. The crease should not go past the line you created in the other step we did, where we drew a horizontal line in between, unless you're drawing wrinkles. Remember, a dark crease will look really deep. Next, we're going to carefully erase our outlines. That's the circle we drew at the beginning and the horizontal line in between. Be careful at this part so you don't clean off the eye shape you drew before. That's why I suggested you keep the outlines light, so erasing will be easy. Now guys, this is the shape of the eye. The last step will be to add some details. Let's draw a curve at the inner corner of the eye to separate the eyeball from the soft pink part. Then you draw a circle in the middle for the eyes. To draw a perfectly shaped iris, you can draw a full circle, then erase the parts of the circle that go outside the eyeball. That step should be done very lightly. Once you have the position and the size you want, darken the iris outline. Okay, so guys, these are the different eye shapes. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for subscribing. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more interesting videos like this. And stay tuned. Bye guys.